Hello, I'm the head coach for the Lao national team. Thank you very much for all your support. So far, the players have been working very hard. Preparation has been according to plan, and we are trying our best. Everyone here is very focused. They are well behaved, very disciplined, and in training they are giving their best. As a coach, I am trying my best to give enough information, especially against Vietnam in our first game. It is not going to be easy. It will be a tough game, as Vietnam are the defending champions, and also Vietnam is playing in the World Cup qualifiers, so their level is very high. But I have explained to my players about our plan. They more or less know the plan, and they are working very hard. They are looking forward for this game. They are excited. It's a very good opportunity for them to play against the best teams in Southeast Asia. To all the fans, continue supporting us. You are very important. You are part of our team. Please support us until the end of the tournament, and we will surely do our best for you.